Now students, come to our next topic, example related to accounting for revaluation of assets and liability when there is change in the profit sharing ratio of existing partners. A, B and C were partner in a firm sharing profits and losses in the ratio of 2 is to 2 is to 1. On March 31st, 2018, their balance sheet was as follows. In liability side item given capitals A 2 lakh, B 1 lakh 50,000, C 90,000, total 4 lakh 40,000, general reserve 40,000, creditors 70,000, total of liability side will come 5 lakh 50,000. Now come to the assets, land and building 3 lakh, stock 1 lakh 60,000, debtors 80,000, cash at bank 10,000, total will come 5 lakh 50,000. From April 1, 2018, they decided to share future profits in the ratio of 1 is to 2 is to 3. For this purpose, the following were agreed upon. Goodwill of the firm was valued at rupees 4,50,000. Land and building will be appreciated by 20%. Capital of the partners will be in proportion to their new profit sharing ratio. For this purpose, current account will be opened. Pass necessary journal entries for the above transaction in the books of the firm. Now students, come to our answer. Journal entries: C's capital account debit to A's capital to B's capital. This entry for treatment of goodwill due to change in profit sharing ratio. In front of C's capital we will write 1,35,000. In front of A's capital we will write 1,05,000. In front of B's capital we will write 30,000. Now for next entry will be general reserve transferred in old ratio. So general reserve account debit to A's capital to B's capital to C's capital. So it will come in front of general reserve 40,000, in front of A 16, B 16, C 16. Now we will pass our entry for increase in the value of land and building. Entry will be land and building account debit to revaluation account 60,000. Next entry, transfer of gain on revaluation. Entry will be revaluation account debit to A's capital to B's capital to C's capital. In front of revaluation we will write 60,000. In front of A we will write 24,000. B 24,000. In front of C 12,000. Next entry will be A's excess capital credited to his current account. So entry will be A's capital account debit to A's current account 2,55,000. Next entry, B's excess capital credited to his current account. So entry will be B's capital account debit to B's current account 40,000. Now next entry, for C's deficit capital debited to his current account. So C's current account debit to C's capital account 2,95,000. Now students, come to the working note. We will find our sacrifice or gain. So A will sacrifice 7 by 30, B will sacrifice 2 by 30 and C will gain 9 by 30. Then we will adjust our capital or adjusted balance of capital is 2 lakh, 1 lakh 5,000, 16,000 plus 24,000. Total will come 3 lakh 45,000. B's 1 lakh 50,000, 30,000, 16,000, 24,000. Total will come 2 lakh 20,000. For C, 90,000 minus 1 lakh 35,000 plus 8,000 plus 12,000, it will come 25,000. Total capital of the firm will be 5 lakh 40,000. Then we will find our required capital. For A, 5 lakh 40,000 into 1 by 6, it will come 90,000. For B, 5 lakh 40,000 into 2 by 6, it will come 1 lakh 80,000. For C, 5 lakh 40,000 into 3 by 6, it will come 2 lakh 70,000. Then we will find our amount which we will transfer into current account. So existing capital 3,45,000, 2,20,000 minus 25,000, and required capital we found 90,000, 1,80,000, 2,70,000. So transfer to current account amount 2,55,000 credit, 40,000 credit, 2,95,000 debit. Thank you students.